Today, I'm letting my scrap bin and a little bit of chance make all the decisions. And honestly, it could go either way. Welcome to Scrap Roulette. If scraps ever feel overwhelming, it's not because you don't know what you're doing. They don't have built-in rules, and if they're from different fabric lines, your brain has to work overtime to get that coordinated look. Here's how you play Scrap Roulette. See how many fabrics your block calls for. Today, mine calls for 4. I reach into my scrap bin and pull 4 fabrics without looking. The order matters. The first fabric I pull becomes fabric number 1 in the pattern. The second pull becomes fabric number 2, and so on. Once a fabric is assigned, it's locked in. No switching, no swapping, no second guessing. Then I cut, sew, and see what the scraps decide. That's my version of Scrap Roulette. I don't love it, but let's try it. I also wanted to mention that I made this block 2 times before playing Scrap Roulette. So at the end, I want you guys to tell me which one you like the best.
Woke up this morning, now watch me step. The week was murder, I'm gonna get rid of the stress. I'm feeling lighter, I'm finally feeling like I can breathe. The night is calling, tension, gonna blow in a breeze. We're rolling downtown, we're grooving to the sound. We're rolling downtown. The weekend's here and it feels so right. I think I'll break the skates out tonight. I'm gonna go out and have a good time.
So I'm shocked. I wasn't expecting this. Here's my first block. Second. And third one made with a Scrap Roulette. I love this one. It looks completely different. Tell me in the comments which one you like better. 1, 2, or 3. That's block number 1 from Tula Pink's City Sampler. 100 modern blocks. 99 to go.